Welcome back. Matching dates is a quintessential regular expression problem because dates often appear in many different formats. Slashes, hyphens, for-digit years, two-digit years, and so on. This lecture shows you how to combine sequence characters and quantifiers to create flexible and accurate date patterns. 1. Matching a simple fixed format. For a strictly formatted date like month/day/year/year, we use the fixed-length quantifier curly brace n curly brace and the digit sequence \d. The pattern are \d curly brace 2 curly brace slash \d curly brace 2 curly brace slash \d curly brace 4 curly brace exactly specifies 2 digits, followed by a slash, then 2 more digits, and so on. This is precise but lacks flexibility. 2. Matching multiple delimiters and year lengths. When the format is inconsistent, we need flexibility. We introduce the character set inside square brackets slash hyphen square bracket, which means match either a slash or a hyphen. We also use the range quantifier curly brace 1, 2 curly brace for the month and day, allowing 1 or 2 digits. Finally, the year allows for either 2 or 4 digits using curly brace 2, 4 curly brace. This significantly increases the pattern's versatility. 3. The greedy nature of quantifiers. A key principle in regex is that quantifiers like plus sign, star sign, and the range quantifier are greedy by default. This means they match as much text as possible while still allowing the entire pattern to succeed. For example, \d plus will match all 5 digits in 10000, not just the first one, because matching 5 digits satisfies the 1 or more condition while consuming the maximum number of characters. To summarize, you can now build sophisticated patterns using the tools we've covered. Our next lecture, 24.10, Special Characters. See you there.